Hello guys, how are you? I hope that you all are fine. Welcome to my YouTube channel and this video. Today's video is all about life insurance. I will tell you about life insurance and compare the rates and quality of different life insurance providers. So we will search on the Google that best USA life insurance companies. So here are the results that the Google give us, but we will compare it on the website on the Investopedia. Here are the list of 12 best life insurance companies of 2023. Uh, Here we will compare the others and insurance companies. So the first is Nationwide. Nationwide has AM best rating A plus. Except credit card, yes, if they are accepting credit cards. For the most personalized call experience, call Nationwide directly at 844-457-7984. And if you're over 50 or in a poor health, it's best to work with an agent. Why we choose it? Three living benefit, including with most policies, generous non-exam requirement, strong financial and satisfied customer make Nationwide our top pick. Pros and cons. They have many pros and cons. Pros: no exam life insurance available to very healthy applicants. Low NAIC complaint index. Living benefit included in most policies. Allows credit card payment. Cons: no live chat available. Overview. Here are the overview of this uh, Nationwide. Nationwide is financially stable life insurance company that's best in business for nearly a century. It offers a wide range of policies that may be available without a medical exam and with fast approval. It's also a topic for best whole life insurance companies, best no medical exam life insurance companies, and best life insurance companies for people over 50. The company garnered an A positive A plus superior financial stability rating from AM Best Rating. Its plans and pricing we will compare. Guarantee level team whole life 120 pay whole life no lapse guarantee UL to universal life insurance. UL accumulator variable life insurance VUL protector advisory VUL accumulator to 2020 survivorship IUL 2020 team pricing. A healthy 40-year-old female would pay $26.25 per month for $250,000 30-year term policy. Available riders. The next is Protective, and has an AM Best rating A positive. It also accepts credit cards. Their pros are lowest pricing along with banner and having among 91 companies ranked 15th out of 22 companies for customer satisfaction in JD Power's life insurance study. Offers term coverage for up to 40 years, allows credit card payments, offers no medical exam coverage. Their overview you can reach plans and pricing. They have the 40-year-old female will pay $22.88 per month for $250,000 30-year term policy. It is cheaper than the previous one. So the next is Hemolife. Its AM best rating is very good. It's A plus plus. It has pros that is easy to navigate website, online application, same day decision, A positive, A plus plus financial strength, 10th best pricing among 91 companies. Only term life insurance is available. It's gone. Term policies are non-convertible limited riders. Available riders, plan and pricing. 7 term, medical exam required, high coverage limits. 7 simple, no medical exam, lower coverage limits. Healthy 40-year-old female would pay $22.9 per month for $50,000 30-year term policy. Mass Mutual. Mass Mutual AM Best rating is A plus plus, except credit card. Yeah, no, no, it's not accepting credit card. Mass Mutual is top ranked for financial strength, has paid dividends, rated A plus plus for potential stability, long history for paying dividends. A few accelerated benefits riders included at no cost. Low NAIC complaint index doesn't accept credit card payments, liberal team, and its rating rate is uh, $27.26 per month for $20,000 to $50,000 30-year Mass Mutual term policy.